I am the Haitian, survivor of a big war, holding the blue and red even when it was tore, in the face of the noisy cannons, calling no more, coming out of slavery in 1804. I am the Haitian. Singing the song that made us strong, beating the drum as we go along, my soul filled with pride, defending home. I am the Haitian. Fearless of the gun and the bomb, attacking them till they run. I am the Haitian. Holding my wounded shoulder, falling on the ground they crave, getting up as an overused slave. I am the Haitian. I need no pause. My heart is big as my nose. My soul is so grand. My skin is African. Standing on the top of Haiti's highest mountain, with a new feeling, with my arms open, shouting, no more master, no more chain. I am the Haitian. In poverty, yet in liberty. I am the Haitian.